All right. Warrior. In the Morsha Reggae Lounge. Wow, look at this baby. She doing her thing. Wow. Hey, hey, wow. Warrior. Oh my. Oh. Oh, look at that. Hey. Huh? Wow, she's doing everything. You must see warrior. Okay. This is the baby that drew me. She's dancing. She's a queen. Look at her. Look at that. Yeah. Grab that. In the Morsha Reggae Lounge, new location. Even the children have fun up in this place. Babies come, they draw me, they dance. That's her sister in the back, she's shy, but look at this. She's gonna be famous. Warrior. Warrior. So we don't need no warrior, just the love of the children. The baby up in the Morsha Reggae Lounge. Everybody have fun up in here, even the children is having fun. Boom Shop, Morsha out.